Yo, hold on. What you say, bro? What you say?
We're about to do the pipes.
We about to go straight pipe the M5. He just called me. I got out the shower, but yo, you want to start the vlog on the phone?
It's about to be crazy lit.
It's about to be like, yo, you want to start the vlog on the phone?
What's up, everybody? It's a new day. Let's do a new vlog, and let's get this vlog started.
Let's get it. If you're new here, I'm Simranjeet Patwalia. That's my boy Lucky on the phone, young Surma. It's about to be litty. We about to go get his M5 straight pipe. And yo, me, Key, and V, we've been forcing him. We're like, yo, straight pipe it, straight pipe it, straight pipe it. And finally, today's the day. Yo, how long have we been forcing him to try to like get his M5 straight pipe?
For a while, but it's about to be lit.
Oh, it's about to be lit, yo.
Yo, this shit about to be crazy as fuck.
We got the 2008 version because it has a V8. That's the V10. It has a V10, not a V8. The beast.
Gotta get a car
The
wash.
beast.
Should we get a car wash after we get it piped?
After. Look how dirty it is. Cold start, go. Cold start. Yo, we just called up so many shops. We found a shop to get it done.
And it happened. The first guy was a hoax.
Yo, we've been trying to do this since 12:40. It's been 3 hours since we've been trying to look for a shop to freaking...
My boy is vlogging, his headache is gone.
My headache is... I have a headache right now, but I'm still gonna do it for the vlog. You know, you gotta fucking drink pipe.
You having too many girls.
Look, I called out how many shops? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 shops. And then we found one. It's going in for service, boys.
I just woke up early morning, look around and I'm in paradise. Diamonds melting on me, froze me up and had me paralyzed.
Yo,
What's up?
what type of cars do we have in these exhausts?
You gotta go to Richmond.
I'm gay.
I'm gay.
We came to the right spot, guys. Look at all this. Alright, about to do some polls right before. This is gonna be a before right now. There's nothing. Gotta make it. There's nothing right now. It's nothing, bro. It doesn't have that like. It doesn't have anything right now. It's going in for service. It's the last time it'll be quiet.
It's about to be crazy, wow.
The last time.
I don't know if I deserve it, but I work and fantasize. Thank God he analyzed. Yeah, I know that you hate me, oh, but she twerking. You can have this lifestyle if you working. No, they ain't no cheat codes while you searching. You a bird ass nigga, no surprise you chirping. Hating on me, but you got no reason.
Guys, it's gonna be a short video. This is just a video of us getting a straight pipe, nothing else. Not like a whole vlogger. It's gonna be a little bit of vlog in there, but not too much.
Hey, Bronx, hey!
In the Bronx right now.
The best, okay?
That's right here. Look, I gave them a call. I was like, I want to get the straight pipe. They're like, come right now.
Right now, yeah.
Do that right away, quick.
Okay.
5 minutes, that's all, right? That's all. Yo, guys, if you guys ever want to get your car straight pipe, come over here straight up. Like, they hook it up with that good price, guys. They hooked it up just now. And they about to do it in like 20 minutes. What other better deal could you guys get? We got a subscriber right here.
You don't fuck with me, why my name and your reasons? Why y'all switching up like the motherfucking season? Claiming that she got a goon, I am the demon.
I'm more excited than him right now.
I'm more excited than all of y'all right now.
I can't wait to see it.
Yo, he called me. I was in the shower when he called me. Yo, let's go get a straight pipe.
When you guys hit me up, you're like, let's go get a straight pipe. I was like, we out.
It's nothing.
Yeah, there is a little bit.
There's nothing. Gotta make it. There's nothing right now. Ooh. Oh my God. Go. resonators? That's all?
Yeah.
So we got 2 resonator deletions, and then this is the sound you guys get. It sounds crazy. That shit sound hot, right? Yo, we got the shout out to the man right here.
Hey, my man. So just come to Massimo Raimofle, the best in the Bronx. 10 meeting, any type of job, okay?
That's it. In a tunnel. Not a He said put it in M. Let's go. Yeah, watch out. We got sand over here, so it's gonna slip a little. You hear the downshift?
Supermodel bitches all up on my sofa. Uber on the way, get out, night is over. I know a white girl, she wanna do that coca. She got a couple friends and they start to go loca. Supermodel bitches all up on my sofa.